In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off graphics acceleration in the Edge browser quickly and easily. This is a useful fix if Microsoft Edge is running slowly, freezing, glitching, or causing display issues on your computer. Disabling hardware acceleration can often help improve stability, especially if you notice problems when streaming, browsing, or switching between tabs. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this one. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open the Microsoft Edge browser on your computer. You can do this from your taskbar, desktop, or start menu, whichever is easiest for you. Once Edge is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window. You'll see the three-dot menu, also known as the Settings and More menu. Click on that menu to open the Options panel. From the list that appears, click on Settings. This will take you to the main Edge settings page, where you can control different browser features and preferences. On the left side of the settings screen, or sometimes in the menu area depending on your version, look for System and Performance. Click on that section to open the system-related settings. Now, inside System and Performance, look for the System area. Here you should see an option labeled Use Graphics Acceleration when available. This is the setting that enables hardware or graphics acceleration in Edge. To turn it off, simply click the toggle so it switches to the off position. Once the toggle is disabled, Edge will stop using graphics acceleration when possible. After that, you may see a message asking you to restart the browser for the change to take effect. If you do, just close Microsoft Edge completely and reopen it. That will make sure the new setting is applied properly. In some cases, this small change can help fix lag, reduce crashes, or resolve visual problems that were being caused by graphics acceleration. If you're troubleshooting a browser issue, this is a great setting to check first because it's simple, safe, and easy to reverse if needed. And if you ever want to turn graphics acceleration back on later, just follow the same steps and switch the setting on again. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick tutorials, useful browser tips, and easy computer fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.